What's up, y'all? Working on the Buick today, and a common problem that these cars tend to have is that the switch goes out. On mine specifically, when you turn the switch on, or if you let the solar thing do its thing, the light sensor turn the lights on, the exterior lights will work, but nothing on the dash works until you turn the dome light on. And after a little bit of research, it turns out that the potentiometer in the switch goes bad. And yeah, so I'm gonna replace the switch. I got a new one right here. I believe this is as close to OEM as I'm gonna get. Got off Rock Auto. It's a $60 one. A little expensive. There are ways to bypass it, but I want the dimmer to work, just so everything's the way it's supposed to work. And the first thing you need to do is remove this bezel. Yours might be blue grain, mine's black, whatever. And way to do that, you got to pull these little doors off first, wings off. They just clip on like that. Just be careful with the little clips. I dropped one, so I'll probably want to pull this, dig it out somewhere. The other one is a little easier because that's what the fuses are. Come through this way. Open up this door. Yeah, like I said, this is where the fuse box is, so this one just pops out no problem. And it's going to be a screw right here, and the clip. And on the other side, I don't know. I think I had to pull this lower thing off. And I gotta drop the steering wheel down too, that way I'll be able to get it out. And I think there might be a couple screws in the glove box as well. So anyway, let me get those taken out, and I'll get back to you in a little bit. Alright, I ignored the kid screaming in the background. Whatever. So anyway, I got the bezel out. It was a little finicky. I had to pull this out a little bit. I didn't know how to disconnect from down here, so I just kind of pulled it out enough. There's a screw on the side I showed you earlier. That's a 7mm, and there's the one at the bottom for that little lower thing. This thing to be specific, and I just stuck them in the little foam for the spare fuses. And you just kind of slowly work your way on doing the clips. There's just not a bunch of clips on this side, so just be very careful, because these GM plastics, especially in this era, are crap, and they do tend to break. Anyway, on the switch itself, there's only two screws holding that on, and the thing, and you pull that out. And if you have to do anything with the dash, like say replace the resistors that go bad in here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and the plug on the back, and this should all come out as well. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this reinstalled, get this replaced, and that'll be pretty much it. So anyway, let me go and get that replaced, and be back when I put the new one in. Alright, so I got the old thing out. Sorry about the beeping. I guess when you disconnect these things with the battery still on, it beeps. I don't know, that's freaking stupid, but whatever. I'm going to put the new one in. This is the new one. And I'm taking it out. The locks are on the side, so be careful in case you're just trying to clean the old one. Just be careful, because these will break. I was able to get mine out, no problem. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put it back in. I believe these are keyed only go in one way. Yeah, as you can see, there are 2 posts at the top that line up with these little grooves inside the thing, and then you just plug it in. Hopefully the beeping should stop. There you go. Plug until it snaps in. And to put it in, you just pretty much put the front in first, and sneak the back end around. Taking it out was pretty much a similar affair. You pull the back out first, then you pull the front through. And that's basically how you change the switch. Gotta lock it into place. I'm gonna need to do that with 2 hands. That's basically it. And you just put everything back together the way you take it out. And test out to make sure it works. Go turn the car to the on position first. That way the radio will light up too. I got muted, so I shouldn't have that issue. Alright, and if I pull this out, okay, that turns on. Well, it dims. And I really can't see. Go try to start it up. I can't see with this sunlight, but yeah, I can't tell with the sunlight, but I'm pretty sure that's working. Anyway, that's how you change the light switch. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Alright, I just wanted to throw one more thing in that I didn't mention. Is on the switch, these tabs that had to go in these holes. It was a little fiddly. I had to take the. Fortunately, this dash support is somewhat flexible. I believe it's like a glass fiber reinforced plastic, kind of like a hand tool. So I was able to pull it out a little bit. Then I had to take a screwdriver to kind of come in and bend these out, and I could slide the front of the thing in, and that let me put these bolts back in. By the way, these are 7 mils, just like the other 2 bolts on the other side. So that's convenient. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end this video off right here. You all know what to do, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Probably a video on the truck, because that needs the exhaust redone on it, and I think I need to put a new clutch in it, because the floor bearing's making a lot of noise. Anyway, see y'all when that happens.